Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Oneplus Nord N10 5G mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup, and then insert a plastic cup pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, using a heat gun, apply heat to soften the glue on the fingerprint button. Next, hold the button and pull out the back cover from the body. Next, undo 4 screws to take out the camera lens with the frame. Next, take out the SIM tray. Next, take out the mid frame by undoing 11 screws from the top and bottom areas. And then, using a plastic car pry tool, create an opening to separate the mid-frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to clear the plastic clips. Next, unplug the battery connector on the right hand side. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 3 screws. Next, disconnect the main plugs and 2 antenna heads from the board. Next, gently pull out the not working charging port board from the body. Next, place the new charging port board in the frame. Next, secure the main flex and 2 antenna heads to the board. Next, secure the speaker cover by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, secure the mid-frame by adding 11 screws. Make sure clips are fastened before inserting screws, and then insert the SIM tray. Next, place and secure the camera lens frame by adding 4 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie in the rear cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.